All right, welcome back to Flat Top Time. Ivan here, excited to share cut number 4 in the 4 basic cuts to put in our flat top shape. Excited to share this one with you because you're really going to see the shape come together with this next step. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video, turn on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, never miss anything. Now, if you go back a few videos to prep, when we prepped the top, we blew everything straight up. And it was a small comment I made, but I did mention that at the sides, at 9 and 3, you wanted to bend the hair into the middle just a little bit. You wanted to bend it in just a little bit. We are now going to pull the hair down against that bend. The cuts were cut in the perimeter, up from below, across the top. The final cut is down from above where we square in the corner. So what you're going to see happen here is this. I'm going to grab my clipper comb and I'm going to hold it with the teeth facing down from above, because we're going to cut down from above. The hair was bent slightly in. I'm going to redirect the hair out of the interior down from above, just like that. And what you'll see in the comb is a ridge line of hair. I'm bending this down until I see the short hair down here in the tips of the teeth as my guide. I'm going to redirect this down from above and zip that off. When I zip off that overhang, that corner is going to pop in super square. It's a little over square now. I want you to watch it happen. Are you watching with me now? This is down from above. It's the 4th cut in the sequence to really square in your tall, classic flat top shape. Now remember, there are going to be variations. We're going to do some other cutting shortly, but you'll see it. Here we go. Underhand grip, 000 closer close position, comb down from above. Here we go. Now, I would be using my mirror. You, my eyes, my camera right here, that's my mirror. I would be looking in my mirror as I redirect this down from above to sight that. And boy, it'll look beautiful. Here we go. It's going to look like this and that. Did you see it? Pop in like that. There you go. And you have just a terrific flat top shape right there. Level on top, square on the sides, but not rounded in, and the corner is all there. I'm digging it. All right, I'm going to soften off just a touch of that at the temple, just a little. I'm liking that side. Let's cut the other side. I'm going to turn the chair because I want to do this in such a way that you can see it. My hand will block it a little, but side number 2 down from above. And I'm going to pitch it at a bit of an angle so you'll see more of it. You won't be straight on like you were the last time, but here we go. Cut in the perimeter, up from below, across the top, down from above, down from above, down. There's not a lot to cut on this side. From above, down, from above. Look at that. Okay? There's not a whole lot of this to do on the back. The mannequin has a natural little bit of a cowlick right back here, but I am going to finesse the verticalness of this back in this step as well. Okay, check my work, check that shape, check it out. Looking at it, there's a little heaviness on this side that I can see. There's a little spot right back here. We're going to chase that off. And we've got our classic flat top shape, but we are not done, because the next video, remember I said the blow dry video was probably one of the most important parts of the conversation? We're coming back to that conversation in the next video. Don't think we're done, because we're not done. We have a little more work to do. And we'll do that work in the next video.